Delta Control is the unique new SSL automation system that unites the sonic advantages of automation in the analog domain with the efficiency of DAW-based workflow. Delta Control is a streamlined hybrid production system that works with SSL Duality and AWS consoles and SSL Sigma remote-controlled rack mixer. Delta Control enables automation of the analog signal path as if it were a DAW plugin. The automation system in the DAW is used to record and play back volume control and switch data, entered either directly from a control surface or from a Delta Control plugin GUI. Delta Control brings you the true joy of console mixing with all of the workflow advantages of DAW-based automation. With Delta Control, all automation is recorded into the DAW via plugins inserted within the DAW mixer, so your analog mix is saved as part of your DAW session, and therefore instantly recallable and easily editable. With Delta Control, there are no limitations. You can automate all of the faders and soft switches on your console. On the AWS, you can even automate both the channel and monitor fader paths. Delta Control is not run over HUI or MIDI. It uses an Ethernet-based SSL network connection, so offers uncompromised resolution and accuracy. Delta Control works by associating each fader on the console to a plugin instance in your DAW. This could be a channel, VCA, or mix fader, and you can automate as many or as few channels as you want when you want. With Duality and AWS, simply enable the Delta Control automation system on the console, insert the Delta Control plugin on a track in your session, and select the corresponding channel on the console. The analog channel name is automatically taken from the console to the plugin. Remember, the plugin does not have any effect on audio signal flow. Audio passes through the plugin unaffected. It is simply a way of writing, storing, and replaying analog automation data using the DAW. Now the plugin is linked to the corresponding channel on the console, I can grab the analog fader on the console and the plugin fader follows. Or move the plugin fader and the console fader follows. Inside the plugin, you will see a fader, trim and absolute lights, and all of the automatable switches on that channel. Just as with the fader, switches are bidirectional, so if I click Cut in the plugin, the cut light on the console illuminates. And if I press Cut on the console, the plugin changes accordingly. When using Delta Control, it is recommended that the Pro Tools preference Plugin Controls Default to Auto-Enabled is selected, so that all of the automatable parameters automatically appear in the DAW's automation lanes. With Sigma Delta, the relationship is tri-directional. Changes applied via a control surface, via the Delta Control plugin, or via the Sigma remote control application are reflected in all three interfaces. The selection of switches displayed in the Delta Control plugin GUI reflects the product selected within the plugin. It's useful to know that Delta Control works with the DAW's Paste Special feature, meaning that you can copy standard DAW fader automation into an analog fader automation lane. Delta Control uses a proper dB scale as reference for all automation. That concludes our video. We hope you have enjoyed watching. Delta Control really is the finest hybrid DAW and console automation system ever created. We hope it helps you get the best results from your SSL analog mix engine. For more information and to purchase Delta Control for your console or Sigma, please visit solidstatelogic.com.